In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram font style with no app needed. So in this case, in order to do so, you actually need to have a font generator. As you can see on my bio, I have different fonts right there, as you have noticed. If you want that for yours as well, then what we can do is we can head over right here into our browser, head over to a new tab, and then from in there, head over and search in here for Lingo Jam. Click on this fancy text generator, and from in there, just type in here what you want to add. So for example, let's input right here, beauty like a rose. Now you can find in here some options like bold serif, bold sans, as well as Italian bolds and the like. So just choose in here which one you would like to use. I'll choose in here this italic bold. Let me long press and then select this text and click on copy. Once we have done that, let's head back right here into our Instagram. Click onto this edit profile and then edit right here your bio that you would wish to use. Paste that right there, click on check, and after that, this should be able to be added just like this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.